Model, 2012 VAUXHALL Vivaro Long Wheelbase, 2.0 CDTI Sportive Body, Grey, Panel Van Mileage, 191,656 Engine, 1,995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp, EUR05, B Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Fifth gear is hard to find. Gear gables need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, aircon, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £3,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.